welcome back to Rufta and Sisters channel. Today we are going to be doing a video of Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers all over the world. This morning we gave Mommy a Happy Mother's Day card and she enjoyed it, she liked it, and then we took her out for dinner, and after dinner we went somewhere else to eat ice cream, and we took photos, and she enjoyed the dinner, and we came back home. But I wanted to make sure that all of you guys listen your mom, because your mom does everything for you. She cooks for you. She has produced to make you a better person in life. So always listen your mom to be a better person in your life. Bye. We'll see you in the next video.